Hello guys, we're going to see how to install Twinmotion 2019. Here, first you're going to run this application as the administrator. Here we right click, we're gonna press right click and then run the administrator. Here the step to be followed will be showed here with this interface. Here this setup will guide you through installation of Twinmotion. Here we are going to press next. Here there is a license agreement. This agreement are to be followed. Then we agree. Then a patch file. It is where your software will be installed. Here you are going to it is on local disk C. Here you are going to install. Then here there is installation. Please wait, all Twinmotion is being started. Here you will wait a little moment. Okay, after installation, you have successful installed Twinmotion 2019. Then go to finish. Here there is Twinmotion installed here. Okay, Twinmotion is here. Then we are going to crack it, to extract cracks so that it can serve, it can not be the mod. Here we are going to see to use these cracks. There is two these cracks. And also there is the other cracks here. These cracks, all these. Let's use firstly this crack. We are going to set these cracks, copy, then file location of this Twinmotion where it is installed. Open file location. Then paste here. To continue. Okay, after that, after this, we're going to take other handle. Crack this one. We are going to copy also to that file location and then paste here. Continue. Then we are going to run this software, this crack, to run it as administrator. But we are asked to enter mode password. password we are going to use. Here there is a password here. We are going to copy this password and paste there. Ctrl plus C. Then here with Ctrl plus C. After that, we are going to proceed. Yeah, this dialog shows two motion plus 2019. Then watching it done. After that, you are going to see if it is properly inserted. We are going to open this Twinmotion to see if it is properly inserted. If there is there is not in the mode for rendering your project visualization project. Here there is motion dialog opened here, which means it's not the mode. You can use it in rendering visualization, and then you can save your document. Still loading. The steps, the next video will show you how to use it, how to render your work from ArchiCAD and from SketchUp and the other software used in architecture. In other videos, we are going to see how to use it, how to make your project. It's a application of climate, wind, snow, and the other surroundings. Thank you.